I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi.
Other for me didn't this Sisi Chum. That they be a irrigated sports. There is no day minty irrigated because mitia miniji na me stress.
All right. Over.
Open program one denisham fast sports one. Tie irrigated sports. Adom 106.3 FM. The FM is John.
Good. Kwame.
Kwakume Joso.
Na obesi koy. How did you Bibia boko de.
Na me ya Adom ya tempo anu de nja say tia nwemu a enesa. Na panifo nsunsun ya papa no na eguso ayehwe no. Kosisi e behu papa no de ya fa ne sem panifo na esu but papa ne ehu no so a ya de ne beba.
Emfaso bi enu.
Me de emfaso so mampa.
Uhu ne ye de. Uhu sa na ye.
Say papa no ko ehwe ne che Judas. Oh Bible mu.
Oh Ghana how e say ne mabu amogi tum say moye wo hwe a enye.
Say ehunu papa no.
Ti. Ye okromu a hu say etwe a besinde ena eka mu.
Ampa akasem.
Ayamunya mutru. Ye oni ho hwe
aka mu. Besinde ye hunu twe awura no. Kwakuso umemri eye adwuma pa o.
Ye ti kromu a government official one. Yeah, did
Officer one has some de okadia. How dey some for general politics.
Afi mu jo asasa de papa no. Munyai de mo hwe no na ya de am behu no. Munyai de.
Ayi kwa sama ayi kwa so ye hu no. Ayi man yi a abroko akoya no wo hye hoyi.
On the ho.
Mahu no. Ana mu de asem asie me. Opani wa hu sa ba. Kwa kuzo hu no.
Ama hu.
Bibia mo ko
de. Nyame adom.
Oh, abroko aye.
Oh, ya hu ne dada.
On the.
Na mahu na mu de asem asie bi sa.
En fam de o sa no ka de.
Atiafo, wo wo so hu ne bia ma mi hu no. Ka sa bi de mi okani pa mi hwe ma mi hu wo mo no.
Oh, it's your munya trade na. We go kusi.
Just say hu papa no da ko say Yesu beba.
Munyai.
Abali na afa Bible de na me asem de na edi bia no ti ya no wie na me wasem bia maka
ade ne ba bi o hwe no hu yi so so
Mika
kwai
odifo Mika
Mika no odifo
Mika say o kan yo
Mika no ane Michael na
o kai say asaponyo no ne woni ne ba no
onyawo obeyew
onyawo obekum obewa se
susuji ni padio
na sa na Judas ya oyi Yesu ma se enanu asem abekan na mekohwe Bible mu ana mu se ho asem kro Bible na won kan Bible nti na ubu ani gu nsem bi so be haha wani ebetufo na wo mobile number ka kire we ye we ya ka kire we ti enemika je apani
brofra
esi nyame asem no apoe bato fatu asuma me openi nyame asem no apoe kwa me
ze bi we ubedi matemwa na
mini watem nyama manu asem ayo tron mu asem na meke nyame asem no apoe
kwa na di agroza no
nyame asem no apoe
na de trese waje atum se je o kasa ti o
na nyo kasa ti opani ze musimi munyame na manyi
na de na to so entu ma kasa ti opani eti Bible kasa amuso mi akasa asem na ze odi agrada
Bible e atem sin book bia
Bible na de man no trese no what
Bible e atem sin book bia
na Bible ya so no se nyame asem no apoe
de na to aso so no kan pe je to aso na nye
ana na de to aso nye
o to aso e de
ba do mo munim sa ayi de mekan de to aso no o mo nka ma mi hu nyame asem no apoe obani ena no se e wa hana ana o de kan de o kan wi
adam be se onye se na nka o de man se on kan na ai se on person
Mika
ena ko fa nyame asem no apoe
etresu yimun o mia wanya betimi akan ha etresu yimun na me pese o kai ena no momo ni ade ho asem akan en se o hono mo a o password ni o momo number fama adofo ene ho nkeka ho no na sei na Mika odifo Mika e ka e oturu
sa ta no mo ba mo nya ba
okay Mika gwagu manzi Mika David uyi afama me uyi afama me hwe
Adom man yare man
David hwe wan manzi no ne nke nto aso fa de na man mia bi baba we uni anwansi man sanitizer wa yare anwansi oh man sanitizer me sere wa
enso ni yemu wa
yimu Mika ngoma no
ani trip no se dipa
me pese wa ka asem na wo ka ye no wia na wa botworo no na wa kan ato aso
na me ka se owuo ani akwanhia nti So we obi a waware nko ade a. So we ye japade. So wade bia eye sika ye involve a ma wo yire anase ukunu ehunu mu. Ka kire no. Na se ne be ya wo dan
enka wo. So kan kire kranza ne so wo asem kran na kan wo di kaka se wo die ntina wo se wo de password na se mobile money sie. Enti eno no enti Mika trufo.
Tin son yimu enum. Etripo no se ni papa noso.
Ni papa enoso. Enti etren so yimu num no se sei.
Munyi adamfo ni.
Monye
adamfo ni. Monfa mo ho nto.
Monfa mo ho
anto oyonko so.
Monfa mo ho nto yonko so, ha.
Oba odawo kokumu.
Oba odawo kokumu
no. Na ho na when wano
we can say when wano e chete.
Then ka wasem kra
to wano nareka.
Na Mika pa ahade na me so na Mika twetwa bi.
Bravo.
Eze Mika kasa asa.
Je majeri na uni anka.
Twide ni.
Ade anu akan. Ono ko ya yi kwa
wanka linguistics man wanka
man. Ono ko wa timi anka.
Linguistics no me university na twini no.
Okay, was it 75?
Mika 75
Uni Bible mu kankan.
O se na we na aka monje no.
O se monyi ni.
Enye sana we tron mu atie wa ha o.
O se say.
O se monye.
Monye no.
Monye. Chibere monye.
Okay. Monye na fufu ni. Monfa mo ho ento nyonko so. Oba oda okukumu no. Nen
na ma we adi buku ma no di ma na yele. Fam buku ma fa babro ni ma.
Ade say we twam pese obede kra twi buku.
Tie. Oba oda okukumu no. Ne ho na wen wano
sa na woka
no ano
enti
ti momo number na esimi enfa momo Bible na control Bible so asem de utimi nyi bi film na utimi fa bi nka ho tinya wo na kwa me bo ade na be cancel asiripi wa ha abe se yen fa no mobile money mo number man kofo o ta se
kwaku
a che se ATM card nyina yen fa pin
man kofo yeah very necessary o yire de
ade Bible na ka asem nti de Mika de aka no unti
Mika kwa be no nware ye
onse entina me na me say nyame asem eno apoi de ne to aso
de minim kwaku aya hwehwe Mika abakose mame se no wo yire a
ene best as
se sa na o ka de ene se Paul kra na o se ahwem
Paul se ono ka ware asem na me hwe bi wo nware bi ada awu se de aware atie
ewa
what you say
open English
o Paul no nkasa no
nyame asem no apoi no
o Paul no nkasa no wa se da anware but una wo che aware asem nyina
Paul na
wo so wa se da anware
Mika etinso enchichemu enum
Mika 7 verse 5 yeah Mika 7 verse 5 yeah opani na say when I just saw the Bible na be kanta bibia dia me so the na samba say Bible na me kotobi me sheda ndi biba me kwa kotobi me koto mo no che
etutu oni Bible
na me dia kotu fie aya makenkan
oni Bible
opani
ba ko da me kan we aya ma me fama
fa na ma so we dikin papa na wo me no na mo my Bible opani na ye a world photography day we are singing na de kai emfoni twa na kwaku de on say da mpemfoni saa kwaku say da peda wo jeri jase
okaso otwa so ayo otwa
oh this onye fan of photograph
enap ti de Mika no me sit okaso otwa
kra wo post
na no
a me twa me hu me
se na no na oron ba ko bi me hu ya pe na say no say han so twetwesa I have my skills and I ochem ba bia
go jere say o be na
twa so dem crave
eti na aduma mu aso de say o probi otwamfoni pa wa twamfoni acha aye owura David Ando awade dia award akese eti na me ba na
Global Information Center ewo eye kaso ampotemu
amanfru mu ba bi
eti me ba na me tell say na de na word photography de ya o mesra yen ewo irrigated ne so manya na ntia so wa ba enti no emre se no ba
ene fun aje o madwuman
na de phone na ya adwuma sa questions nya mpesa oba mu bisa na ma me say aye challenge am o mana kwaku na me de photo me di akira kere me wo training college ni kwa me yesa be be ya madwuma ana me twetwa bia ba kaka na fe me camera no abaye outdated je na nyina akra no me nya obi oba me camera kama tika fa akra me dia san to aso atwa photo no me pe photo twa papa se ye twa me ana se me twa obi me pesa de ne pa me what ayi secondary school me kai say me kwa Jim Crawford tade a good bag mu ma.
Okay, so what we read e wo twi mu no.
Yeah.
Obi a ebia twi no on she dante ase papa no. Yeah, I think say we be King James na ne kan
where that no e dey me pekra
yi no
me mpe yi no
King James version. Okay too I say trust ye not in a friend, put ye not confidence in a guide. What I say?
A guy.
Wife no the guide
in a guide.
Okay. There be any wife.
And your wife there beba. Keep the doors of thy mouth from her that lieth in thy bosom.
And thy bosom. Eh, so mo ku papa no kuku mu nyina akra. Papa no hwe na no ya.
Papa no kai Bible. Papa no obi o kai Bible a. Ejani ne ekoso.
Papa mika etire nso imu num no ma papa no. Bonze we dia o ka kire we na ma.
Yeah.
Akaron ne de mimi hu boni bia wo ho. Because be ma de se nyesika sempa ne mre ya.
Enka adwom kra ba ko so ba ko ntimi hu.
Na make en.
Ade papa no hwe we ahwe we. A che se we dia white we dia black.
Na je papa no kasa.
Papa no kasa pa. Ontuna no nareka. I say etine da na eja na kasa.
Oh I say udi emu ye.
Oji bi say me yes ade na me nkasa o. The highest
o de on pekasa kra.
The highest am call any
o de on pekasa.
Voice party unya.
Say na bruni ne kan ni cha mpedede.
Why they no pedede?
O say poja.
Man ti do ka. Edi papa no pedede. Already to twem dia and yanka 2 minutes bi na.
Oh, Kwame.
Ono so I get to tie pa Davidando.
Oh, you're very
Dabi ono number 1 one.
I get there.
Number 1 pa.
I'm very big fan of I get.
Ono so Dabi abon bi attacking in. O so you to go attacking.
Okay. Okay, Kwame.
Na obani mai betrasi na enemy hu ade bi na mo kakra. Say obi a ono te ne ka mu awuro na hwehwe nyino no kwa na ti so dey condition. No wa share space as a face mask.
When you da bia. I am green one mente ase.
Nobody than Evans Mensah. Man ya ni timu do enjoy.
Ono eza.
Eje me hwe ni din am say ade ntina papa yes. Ono kwa te ne ka so kra mo no che onya de emfutu otimi fast yes ha sika e bia. No che an.
Anya kotokoka ya any insurance bia.
So it ready na am say that be odibo because e train mu do mo azu so ofa ohuni mu no akọ. Oba person akọ.
University akọ waru adu.
E train say the city and say aboni rom say kim. On the video be pe na
Oko check up grow mu.
David Atlas.
Omo mu ti so no. Oko ba brain job a. O tra so dey video ni si ti no anu ada. O di tini be pe mu ano. Baba for bro.
And when you trader.
Omo mu ti so o dey opa bi so opa ma baba for no. Opa bi line say baba for no face here. Omo mu ti so no. Video ni si trace won bo aso ada.
Aya no wan abre.
Ono kata ko etina so no wa bre.
Again no so pe no dey baba bo no bra. So just say brapper ni say
David Atlas.
Yeah, who you pa? David. On fanti o kan
oh
nyame da ho kra
yo ye da nyame ase. Okay, so a special day. Na
me hu pe no makai bre Caesar.
Oh, so man nka
Caesar no twa photo man pon ni ko pitani o mienu.
Etu ba ye papa nka.
Me so twa picture 2 weeks so be share say film ni nsan. 2 weeks o. Eh o be share no say film ni nsan.
David nyan bre en kwa.
Mama nka bia no aye bi pen no dey tu no.
menye
Oh yeah, otimi yes set. What's will be trusted? Oh, sre. No, sre. Oh, yes, oh, just sre. Na, when you imagine no tra. To which I'm about nine. Who are picture do 1 month? Everybody nine yefe. It will be 1 month over course menye.
I know. That's the case, pa.
Menye photo no. Oh, be a photo nga order of any.
If you come on about and this one I won't come.
Yo, your interview why?
Me pictures were home.
Me kaipa no cry me pictures ni bi on laptop so.
Laptop so na was say
I was images in the ya me do I like them.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, so reason leave our head alone.
David.
Yes.
And a special day. And you being a photojournalist, I just say Kesemwa pa Ghana ha. Photojournalism na you din enfrimu. Yekase can be fa modwuma yi ho under just 2 minutes a then I'll bet me aka e dey afa photojournalism.
Ansa na me ne me beto ankomodie ni so no me chia a man from top town American farm, that is English a man from Global Photo Agency. Sister Rhoda me chia and na ewie and na ye special day am I
Sister Rhoda on why
oh one more tie mo program
na ni pa bebrebe ho nya Sister Rhoda nkwa na chia
ebi mo ba me ho
on na da
photographer for once one can ampa
oh no information center na wa man
photographer you of the ground okay say photographer no e wo be gro
then na nya to pay money na say bia
ba ko photographer for them o
pema e then ni pa bebrebe ho me kwa me fese bia
da jo
afi na che da jo say ma many amran say ka che da jo
me ka che say me bobiru no
na sister Rhoda di na bantam do one na kwa sori ana
Global Information Center man from there ye bia mu hu ha se kra biri mu message me tell
oh sir
yeah
Sister Rhoda kan
wo mu nyina aha nti wo hwa obi be bisa se world
Let me say do bia misai nti wa kan de wo bia na fa tire
okay I say 18 okay French for no cover photography
oh okay
buy 1839 yes
French
for oh what about 1839
yeah and one French Academy of Sciences and no cover di kan mfoni machine e di twa mfoni no
camera machine
nti eno no wo January nti August ni mu no na France abanya nkasa or discuss share ade na omo ayenim
okay
na auto fill tell baby the patent or something
okay patent right
yes.
Okay
na abanya nkasa toy 9th August 19th August enu nti na nde yes celebrity sada no nti the whole world no wo hwe the way camera yedi twa mfoni no baye no na France aban auto sada no na omo di and that day esi ho a ye dey celebrate
18 saying
1839
1839
yeah
it's before then there's a picture there na enya there wo baby
no
and yes picture na about 100 just omo bo
oh say there nkofu bi na omo draw na ya
because 1839 is
a so omo sin anim tuka tawo bi mu na omo yusu enti na pictures na anim tuka there ampo
enti date we no na afibia wo dey si wo say eduru ho a ye ba celebrate na wo mo a omo abo mo homadini wo photography industry nim no ye dey abo mo abaso anase we Ghana ha no ye wo okuo bi a ye fra no Ghana Photojournalist Network na saafoi ekina wo mo be ye exhibition bi wo Ministry of Information
okay
na exhibition no it is on COVID.
Okay.
Na team so eda so ne ye Ghana's fight against COVID, the role of photojournalists. Inti wo hwa nsentro fa wo mo members of this association no wo mo call out kutwitwa mfoni time a COVID epie Ghana ha no. Enu nti sa mfoni ni nyina no no mo di exhibition na echina information minister honorable kudu upon kromankasa bebe biesa photo exhibition na ye da celebrate World Photography Day.
Okay
so is that where and at time no so you saying
information service department friends Ministry of Information one
oh okay then time
10 o'clock.
Okay.
10 o'clock.
Ananajo.
Oh,
10
Anopa.
Okay.
Anopa. And will be said, this time mobile phones are ababano affecting photography na. Yes, in a way, but we share photography Juana Kasa. One more or more I hear woman who a womb, one more assume I don't know. mobile phones no affect wɔn adwuma mobile phone mom deɛ edu mmiri bi a ɛboa yɛ nyinaa na sɛ obi bɛka sɛ o mobile phones na ɛbaeɛ no ate adwuma so a ebi a wɔn yɛ commercial photographers wɔn yɛ house to house no wɔn na mobile phone etumi affect wɔn but yɛn mu a yɛyɛ professional obi bɛyɛ ebi a wedding na ɔpɛ photo shoot on cover no mobile phone whether iPhone or headphone or body phone on phone kotwa ni or friend photo shoot yeah nti ni nyina no they will
and obi wuso cry phone no just mo ana mo kotwa
jai fiafia ho no na me ka say 2 minutes and on kan asemi afi wa
ya bi say obi wa untimi fa phone ko jan so di kotwa phone just photographers ya
as I story no want here so obi ewu na obi di iPhone akoje na phone no man so no so iPhone come see
na eze mutwa photo ba ko amoje say
oh me twa picture enye ba ko me charge say wo ba from say me wedwuma ma wa na say me wo ho kwan a maybe say how you want your job na ma charge wo na wetua picture no say me turn images a bia image ba ko bia me twa no bo a ebe so me ka chezo tuaka wonti ase nti adwuma no ne tintin na kwan a
yes wonu boarding pa o
oh enye dey to say Kwame
ade papa na turn we memu ano
Kwame
ba picture so dey efe dey
ade papa na turn
tintin wonu boarding no
sa enye di bia
my photographers mo pema how far is that true
oh me ndi
sa
me ndi because say a man journalist yes mo pema teacher for pema na ye nuanu me o mo sha black yi me refu
police for
me mo mu
obase na yeka
police for the omo pema pa and only nobody make am
David yes so ko
na owe and na me ya be ya o ya otimi wuro no hu nyina
and na kan be busa ni
say
nude photos
sa photos utwa bi
em say me no me ye nsentroni na ye use ethics enti say obi ba wuro no hu say twa no na even wu twa kra na wan hwe na o kina image no ehye o machine so na kopie baby a wo na yebe hold responsible enti me no ya obi ba di no hu naked ba say me try to picture me ya I'm not interested in those one
and you ntwa
yes no so ska wo
but wo yes ano em say wo mo no omu enyusu ethics na omu di omu adwuma okay na yen no ye ethics na di
okay yeah that's it
pass our pass it through kwaku na mo ka history as media na in history oh there be say aka 1933 ntina make
there be enye
photography one asem na e ka na de ko de ko
1839
so say ye ka history we are not in a history class please
they can history as also for gun history I was say ko baby hen fa na ko 1911 besi na asem kitwa obani
asem be
Master Santi Kotoko
why dey
ye board papa otumfo adama
ebi aba for France ebe ka kana wo ko ya sane
omo board we asu bi mada
eba o say ya enche no no sane omo
board we asu bi mada make say Kotoko secretariat kwampanifo ani abre pese enkwa no wonom ye ni nyina afoforo secretariat wo ho complete
o kan be wu na wo nwu ye mfa
kan Yera Kofi Abai, Dr. Kofi Abai. Ayi cast 2. Fortuna Monarchia bako Prado bako edi amatim no. Ezi ameka se Kotoko coach eda ka munum. New board na aba no eh action ko.
Enshego.
Masa jamfe.
Fortuna mo na enshego.
50,000 kwa mo fa mo top player mo ntimi afa ma no. Ama ne nam afi no opetim. E ka tiba sama ye boss ba na mo kabi. Mo top player Joseph so 50,000 mo ye bia
ma na asem no nti and dia kozi
enti yenya board papa
rasta we rasta dia also my simple rasta ka chero
me rasta bia ma
ne wa me
ale da dia ne no so
ngo de ba ye ne ye na se nkwan ne nam ne do so enti ye ne se ye nkoto bi emeka ho na ye koto ye ba nche nkwan
Udaru beka mo dia ne ho no manche nkwa
na de me aka ba bi e koto o ma enwe ho ba nche nkwa wo de tutu de o di free ai ba ne dia
tama ba ye no
Messi a cheo
o de o you
kwaku
se koku ya ne nye
enne
enipa da zeni zanu
Kwaku, and 19th August.
My boy, any more for Chama, but 17 na watch ye.
At the point near you,
also Chama team. Is it a competition about boy? No.
Oh, a boy in there. I'm in the house.
Hey, I'm a boy, and I'm sitting my catch say, come rest in the lights now, hand them woman. But independence any person who many months into no. Boy, Papa, Ushia, Memo boy.
Kwaku, and next year, 19th August, in 19th August 1962, and at Real Madrid, a team a born 9 free. Spain ton, be PM or Ghana Kuruma say, and the Blasters be see a kind. And today is 1962.
62.
Yeah.
Aside
for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Kwame Nkrumah apart from Scano Crown, or no, ni na dwene say obema Africa no a united na ye ne ewiase atimi asia kan not only in football na oyusu the Blasters as one of the weapons or they unify Africa and the world together. It's not for Blaster ni agro kra to say no obeko stadium Kumasi stadium e fe ne sen Baba Yara obeko Accra de e fe ne sen
Accra de on je o ma de ntino
o de ma hwan o de ye ohini ja no me ye no san be na Accra Sports
sam crofoni na no bo Kwame Nkrumah no mo ye adwuma ohini ja mo ni Kwame Nkrumah no mo ye adwuma ebi mo ko mo position wa ban mu so that football no e be tintim na Real Madrid ba ha no o want me am check Blasters as at that time na I'm trying to see say net ye ka say Real Madrid ni Ghana Blasters e won say ma bobo a and Real goals no e be turn Barcelona any Bayern dey
because apia o there's no way so bit ma be share
the current Real Madrid team and the Ghana Blaster
and I see because apia o want me man ya o be na me share nim because oba Blaster and share that more match bia because apia o want me share
man ya ko ye na afraid that dem pam no ha o ya dey side that dem pam no Kokiere mo bo 3-3 just obi antimi ansha ne nyonko na ene say Ghana di ka di first goal di kan no o ka she mu just park no so ye there can you imagine 62 yi ye nya president foforo
o ka she di mu
obo she mu obo she po ni mu
it's a Ghana di ka she
first goal oh and I need just some na we crank here so na last minute when Real Madrid for near me na mo ko pan ba ko tum na ye 3-3 I just say 3-3 draw I the call na make I say those days crowd need me arrange and Real Madrid bob match there and then I see Ghana football more me ko fit mani fear di me hu say foreign team bia to say bia top team bia ba Ghana and the Blaster be bob match that and then na atu football ni ntia
as of no problem
kwaku asema papa yi kan
ekosifie ni edi kanfu bibia ni awon awon so di kan na ye edi mochi na mo fa bi ma
way back 1962 na Ghana Blaster and Real Madrid bomb match and modern technology abano Ghana for
sabe sika na wo ye ho no ni be bi ni na edi na Ghana so ni e no so save ti e bibi ye ho no aban ni nya sika kra de support
it is say ni kwa na say
it's Nanes shirt small size or
Ghana for there first say first on Facebook live no ye ni me address e be radio ni oni dey ko TV I don't think radio so
me say tini so
na we dey say
me no mama
na ni mo ni brako na so before
ono so kwa na furu nya to asa
e je wo dey be times 3
ba ko bro so kakra o
hwan
o sa
na no oba e wa hunu
akodi na funu
wo iba
e dey akodi na funu mu
entamu pa babia wa
bono so bo tie program resuti
Kwame ansan ye beto aso akwa anim no beauty Ninia Bema Frimu. Beauty of Denmark.
Yes.
Ninia Bema Frimu.
And Ramene Kasa, Okasana was Susa. Beauty, do you want it?
Your man is
also a long distance driver. A job of you baby, so I'll create a war. Ghana Chiga baby. I'm so bobo. It's all book I cannot transfer or home. Oh, no.
Oh. It's beauty shedding. Why shedding? Na the idea. Asemba kupena ya kana se nyamele de mo no anagie no. Na yenhwena yenchicho renka krakra. Why? Na ntibibia ni a yenya ni na manya why? Be yi.
Ba woni say you speed bi omko na say wa home a ye kire wo. Madam ba ko bi.
Enye speed a wo kwa.
Distance we wa cover.
Yes.
Na better be kan. Wo cover na say wa home a yetimi redi hunu ni a kire wo.
Baby, who can now nam ni na na track that. Yeah. Baby, on nam bia at every point in time bia they know. Speed a wo bia so they know.
Ma fro bus free Hamburg we call Amsterdam na. Flix bus bi. na driver no se otwia kudru ba bia e wo se ono no esi kwagina home na foforo befa e dia to aso na okoya dru ba bia wo se driver na wo so ba no odru na driver ni nyama e se driver na nya problem bi no sa drive ko nanim kakra a che se wabro okodru ono se enya de obeto aso biem because okona bibia sia make I say when before so beto asukura no gina nom coffee me 1 hour san no to because o nko biem me ekugina kwan no so ama driver kro no so to no problem ni omun kasa ama driver fufuro bae onu asia yi ni ama okokra also okokoda
that means Ghana split driver ba kutimi ko kuma 3 times a day
and from how to Borgan driver ni ba ko pe so ko du etua na no se tie ni na ni kuma no we ko kan me twi ga anyende
and I was say Saturday na onipa ba ko pe
na bebre ya no ma
bas e ko quite tin no say so mujai who say ye will be on one and aside that no kwan ye will be on one e bia senka Ofie say pram
yeah
now ba be sen akoka so a bas ba ko pe na otremo hono and one do be ko sa
na confirm wan
miwa elsewhere almost the same
da bia can say
there be takes na wetwa na no de do Ofie pram na e bi odo ba be do tema udutema watena fufum ebi ono so de wa ba bedu achimota na wasan atena fufum we di ticket ba ko na
kwa kunim se
na san
komo say we effort bia ye be ye say ye be good transport ama the people of Ghana bia enye yie
private people no resist because
since day one
and only the main business when people be breye and only asem no
the first time the card afro sa bus bi e wo kasoa mani ji ye keke
oh yeah intiase mani ye
ya me bo 40 cedi gu card ne so the year edi shemu ye slant am say brochile kaso ha ya o me kai pa abanda da ye ko ye afi 4 days later me san ko ya ye say machine nya adwuma e no kwabra ne jiska ne gu ne botum
e da come asante say menye bible baako ema umienu na ntino se me ka senka de da me kan mu ne be ma but em so oti nti o say
da de man ko have ya be hand papa
o da sem no okay o se my bible o bible credit but and
what say minim say o de o bi na man no so oni bi tinga me say me tam de da me kan mu na man but presiding aka say me ye yi de imagine de na
I you ne fa bra ka tell say me mpe die di that you can you have me
good news
me pede bo fun plain
good news ni bi mu da ho King James version na na kan ya din like thou art
bro fun na kan ya din say ba asofo no omo ya zan so pesa bible no pa
hey be
so we are na asofo ni so biri mu die only going by is dying ya hu say wa ben kwaku abrantie bi ono nkasa streaming ono ani wuo
o streaming
yeah very bad
obekunu no
Facebook no ya
and call live
ono call live tiriba 400 na ye hwe no
am for adwin you
na odi wuye na ne baba say o call ne nchen a day before
am for adwin you
na o call ne nchen no oni ne papa mu ye no wa anche bia na o te say obi say ne papa onko Facebook ko hwe na ne papa e streaming ni wuo no say how ono to
bad
over 4 months ya o ma ne nufu ti ono kwa wan kreke so na o ye say o frefra post for ene ade am na ko hwe say ne papa ho te sen omo ko nje papa no wa ye de obeye no ho awie o ye obi a so no charity for like o timi ko box na kwado discard nyina ama but o wadwemu ha o kakra on and off ni bi ko anaba nti ono nkasa kra o try so obeku no kra for the meantime na anya yie ni ye ko fan ba ye ko ye san ya de o san ba ye na 50th birthday da o di 50th birthday no na ono nkasa e ko Facebook live no sa manfo a mo hwe me e jime nkwa free me nsam enti ma hu mi bi mu a na tese me ko amanfofo sa agro na when no person say Facebook for anya de say o ma sa post ni da ho
and they should have done something about it
but Facebook for so the say almost sending a message private message
na send enya adwuma onipa why na adwo so okunu de ono sending message ya private
o be o man no e ho tutorial ni
na
the picture nipa no yes ade
ni picture e wa Adom online
de pacho monko Facebook
a very nice man
o jana bodwe kama
ne ba ne say onye obi oja na gbadwe wo sa so oja pe nya se ne man ko yie nto hu se papa na ja gbadwe se no na ne ye mahihye ne saa anam se na na sa ambofo ja gbadwe se ye hwi mu yie wo se ne papa no da bia na o se bi kama he's always saved but o sa so oja gbadwe se no a hu social media
but this thing you cannot blame Facebook unless they know somebody how you're very close to him and I immediately start here and me contact that person to rush to the house and then save the situation but on one case I'm sending the message there mo man on carry no nya the enfa Oh no, and Amika said that one won't work. But if they knew Obia or you're close to him, and I can Facebook bet me I contacted that person. Say, Charlie, you better rush the
paramedics and
paramedics don't do bedding.
Paramedics in the court.
I tell for the picture, fine man, the picture and the down on Facebook. Or bet me Adom 106.3 FM.
Said a month for stream weddings. Any engagements near there. On one is to me on one is suicide now to say. What they are doing the craft in some or also the corner. Now,
Yami Adoma ha life fiesta so ebebaso. Or Abruanana. I'm a Jim and no Thursday. What I say? Thursday watch now. Inti ebebaso Abruanana sport. Dakuman. Inti 8 p.m. sharp. And we'll be live on Adom 106.3 FM. Host the unim dada. It's my two baby. Yeah, my two. Not just say. Ujamu den na ha live tin there den kwana what me enjoy be to what me ama abroana na hokra na make sure you tune in so what I say live wa dom na onso what me ati na wa filibia na ade so me say aya na me nkosa na esa me dampom za na ebogu za me am bese ko correct guess na so there girl who say me enjoy already no so pa very line no dey enche da nya me dey physical now there some say wo there yes nipa enche da amanje hwesa kwaku minority in parliament bo afu say I'm the chance as I'm seeing Kola Utri. Say Apoi Elikiani. Now they say so called the Elikia. Let's hand them social media. She bet me and penny for and trap penny, especially mathematics young Kola Utri. Or the somebody just consider that and a trinity. And I'm for say be a yan and a beba. I'm pound Kola Troya and one a genome to. It's a bet me and penny for and just happy person in them. Now, maybe there be a metra can say Apo. Well, we be dear. Aya unhunu ne ya na mo wanya bi no aya wo bre pa kwa kunu sa apodrezi marking scheme you understand say nyina ya anya ade a o ma mark no etimi fa kwan bi so o limit ne kakra
na we de krofo dodo na anya po e tro no french mu a na wo
so mark ne french eti wo wanya bi no na ho akodi aduamu me ko school nyina me hu apoda honestly me hu apoda me nim say wo hia bia wo hia pa wo nya questions na koye na no ade da ho because kuma
so I na meeting share anya wo ho papa
1.2
me sua de sa so ko na ba ko pe na tu be bre sa so yese bia wa bo
ba ko bi de prayer na me bre he e bi wa question no minimo but omo ya no my I
ebia onim I no
dia kan you kwaku e bi tu su kwa me ansan e twa na me ko hu I ye ma twam ma ko so question tu na ye bre ne die ti pimpim ya ne kwaku ye ti die beduru ba be yeduri na sa aposemi die me for say wayak should be solely held responsible.
Okay,
let me go to my say mo ana mo se mo ye organization mo hwe so retro e okrom ha mo na mo set e print ade ba bonten e ti say e pia enya student asem enya parent asem enya obi asem say wayak na kasa o ye person won say holding responsible na me krom am ti so obi akọ jail e wo exam question leakage ho da ebi abasade media mante but upon it bada
yeah happy birthday in advance and come Afia Chinese if you know what woman we know you know understand Afia Chinese Chinese lovely woman Jamestown yes Jamestown and Afia Chinese nyame adom ochna and Odi na oda. Inti yemano awoda pa in advance crime. Inti from all of us here and then Ajua Magi as well. Wishing you a happy birthday. May the mighty one bless you and bless you more. Afia Chinese. Okay. As long as you Airtel to go, send the Ogusua say your season for extra, more airtime, more data, yet media stay online. Idea baby, and Tibomodi also be choosing from Airtel to go's big time data extra, fuse extra or extra unlimited. Sebe also be extra because it's time for extra. Just dial *111# now what you see plans this year. Airtel to go life is simple. After DBS Industries on also air mount. Are losing trusses now they're good dinosaur. Instead, so didn't we have a boss once how the roofing sheet in a good so say are losing trusses in our bench also come on. A lightweight into far pressure major dinosaur. Now we know said the Etiano and pro and yeshi every night said the Etiana TNT guarantee more 100 years na eguso ego edan no so kama pa hwe echi akwa on the Springtest Road na ebejo de ofie so a enche bia na wadu Papa restaurant obe friend a 0240 844-444 Kumasi phone phrase 050-600-4141 Nata credit for phrase 050-600-4242 now on the DBS Industries Edinkitown afe why are etete wo de adano so koda ayi crown nyina no obomoden na oba jaisu Heba clinic and ubenya ya sa owe echi akwan wa blikuma na opim ewo ye UK importem won so a ye wo Regency Court Unit F Milton Keynes na oba obetimi abuki appointment with Dr. Shadrack Kwabna nchi akwa na obeto no boase anya ho abotre no ahwe yi pa UK number na +44 744 071 0664 and Ghana ha ubetimi afren SC 020 826 57 na 0244 529 398 now on Jaisun about clinic Edinkitown yo fidi akuku dampa wa betimi ahwemu akusi ase pa ne hu ade poten ha tie de aduru kan wa na ya sanaba sanso ne wo nro ho no mo a eno so ebo apa Jaisun WMP capsules eboa prevent high blood pressure wow wo cholesterol bebre wo mu excess fat and gas ni ano limit no kama pa clear feel your black man and black woman booster so why no so no eboa ma immune system na shene de na ho de mapa ebam se be ya bitimi a fight against every disease bia ye ndro nu di 12 years ade kwa wonnum bi Jaisu Herbal Clinic the home of natural herbal medicine sankratui FD amuhwimu agya tum se emu ye pa afi ope phone papa use any Nokia for the Android smartphones aba ebodwuma yie pa ye Nokia 7.2 Nokia 2.3 Nokia C1 Nokia C2 and other sleek Nokia Android phones yeah chese utimi say correct ya man more megapixels into multimedia clear and quality pictures and videos as well and long lasting batteries. It's YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, any other apps, very, very, very well. Definitely, so on saw the new Nokia Android smartphones in India when you bedroom year pa. For any chair baby at mobile phones, or my fana baby, I'll be at Oko, a year or dock or traffic light, Georgia phones, Okowa, Bibri, or Okwa, a year Mrs. Obey your fine, I saw to out correct pa. Nokia connecting people. Finally, as they do, Yemfa Emma. Gold TV or say big things are great to have, so never settle for small things. And they Obabe choose Gold TV. Now what me I enjoy the best football leagues on Super Sport. Now men's like it. Oma Osaka Gold TV decoder full set no. Unya 109 Ghana cedis to be me upgraded to Gold TV Max. Say be the best in sports, the best in entertainment, the best in football near there. And they Gold TV Max Serie A La Liga games nina live what me I enjoy. When you feel like pa baby wow fee why enjoy or Go TV no so straight let be ako yeah mo bit me connect to our bro using my Go TV app pay by the point and mobile money agent bia a ben war Go TV live it love it yeah don't must be brace almost so ya say my yeah get sports bro one know your mechanic then happens okay
channel I
unia ba ko
braka or Belgium
braden
braka 60
ayo
I'm channel
okay.
And I Kalen Texas for you answer and I pay careful
you Kalen Texas na amamu okay ni ewo eye Hotel Green and afi Sarah Foods or say ni good friend dinner would die in the day na friend Joycelyn or Wadabraka na nyame onhia no pa na wonye na bisa di nyina emano kama pa and happy birthday to you Joycelyn of Adabraka we efi ni awo ye Hotel Green and afi so Sarah Foods ye Tema Fishing Harbor
no ba kwa na so ye me depa ya Adabraka be bank crab for na wana mpesa metena so hot dine boy din Adabraka
okay happy birthday Nkoma Anita Tete we ifi Rita Ayiku enchen on Jumafo na mo ye Inshira Beauty Salon wishing you happy birthday and God's blessings as well. Okay.
Paco message be or send it.
Paco
and na
I didn't have for
na at the war in this way jare.
I was a reflection at those side.
Also I'm changing day.
Sit.
Like I remember.
I said oh my baby that's
I'm on Facebook live na say me fu.
I tell na so about for can.
Udi kan. Na so about for me ma udi kan why.
Udi bem.
Na wo ka teams akese. And how? Baby girl.
Baby girl.
So got to call new reggae boys. Friendly. Panafest 2000. Panafest 2000. We Kennedy at the buy.
So, I money reggae boys of Jamaica.
Kwame, or see an interview.
I'm Becky. I
see an interview.
Me interview no.
Transit.
I tell for Mumbra Facebook now me find girl Kwame about the bed interview. Kwame. Okay, start the interview.
Single and free.
Kwame, start the interview. Becky is not married. Yes.
Becky, we are single.
Yes, Mr. Becky is not married. Continue the interview.
Are you engaged?
No, please.
Not really.
It's complicated.
Kwame, carry on the interview. What I do?
You can't interview no, I didn't come.
Start proper.
Oh, there be country pa.
Becky, please, what brought you here?
I actually came to visit, my brothers and sisters here at Adom.
You want to see us?
Yes.
And see how we are doing.
I love the way you present. And so I just came around and Papa Bill had to push me.
Okay.
Yeah.
So from here, where are you going?
Joy News.
Okay, from here to Joy News.
Yes.
To speak English.
Yes, please.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm almost 29.
Okay. You want to marry a tall man or a short man?
I like them tall.
You want them to be tall?
Yeah.
6 packs.
Yes. 6
Are you aware that 6 packs don't pay school fees?
I know.
But you still want 6 packs?
Yeah, I mean, if you have 6 packs.
And you don't have money to cry, you're okay?
Oh, yeah.
And you go gym. Boys, baby, I come now, mom, 6 packs. And you training. Okay, I will end my interview here.
Thank you very much for having me.
Thank you. Okay, so Kwame is doing the interview. I ready is that's so great. Maminya, you will see.
I can Japan should watch your video.
Debbie.
Can I Aquano wants to show say he wants to go for a commercial break. Can I Japan say you are not going for the commercial break? Wants to know? I saw you won't go for the
on the TV there. On here, come baby. They pressure credit.
I'm going for a short commercial break.
Jerry, we want to wish our dad a happy 70th birthday. That's Mr. George Asiedu in tow. We pray for God's grace, long life, good health, and may God continue to enlarge his territories. May he live to celebrate more and more birthdays. We love him so much. From all of us, Kofi, Same, Deacon Aaron, Benny's, and your in-laws, Omuna say, Omo we show happy 70th anniversary. Mr. George Asiedu in tow. Nyami sharp Poppy. Correct dad back up Aaron Papa. Why need Poppy? Nyami sharp more. Okay, so baby Edu, you know. The bear say ye bear the say cause ya the say ya. A bit me affect salary no.
And I'm so many other gente.